Hi, I am Sajid. If your NGO depends on donation, in this case, your website shouldn't be a fundraising system. Yes, it should be, not just an online brochure. Most NGO websites look good, but they don't convert visitors into donors. That's the gap. We help you fix it. I have authored more than 25 books on digital marketing, and for the last few years, my team and I have built over 350 donation based NGO websites across different causes. We don't just design websites, we build complete donation ecosystem that include recurring donation, donor management system, automatic tax receipt, campaign-wise tracking, email and WhatsApp updates, and conversion-focused donation flows. The goal is simple: turn one-time donor into long-term supporters. We also take care of content writing, images, banner, and videos. Tell us about your cause, and we will show you exactly how your fundraising system will look.